Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message DND on at the top. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, simply swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel, tap on the icon. You will see the message DND off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.